I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. So today I have 3 picks that I'm looking for this week. First one is going to be a swing trade that I'm currently in right now, showing signs of reversal. Next 2 are going to be ones that I'm looking to buy this week. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on my future videos. Also, support us by joining our social media on here, and we have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter right here. You can do a simple follow click, and you can also join the broker app that I use. It's Robinhood, and if you can use the referral link that's over here, and you get a free stock, and so do I if you use that referral link. Alright, and let's go ahead and jump into the 3 picks that I'm going to show you. First one is going to be DGAS. That's DGAZ. And I see a nice sign of reversal. I did talk about this in the video yesterday. It was still downtrending, but now showing nice sign of reversal. I'm still holding this. Pre-market went all the way down to 24.67. My stop loss was at 25, but it wasn't entered. It was just a mental stop loss, and every time it comes below 25, it makes a nice bounce up. So let's look at the chart. Looking at the 30-day chart, this is what I mainly look at for DGAS and UGAS. So these follow the natural gas. So looking at this, you can see MACD curling up over here. Nice consolidation below that 25 area, and now breaking over that. So it needs to mainly break over 26. I have my alert set, and then 26.50 is going to be a confirmation of upward movement. And I want to look to take profits at around 28.50. Got my alert set there. So anywhere above 28, I see great profit potential right there. So between 28 to 29 is going to be profit taking for me, and anywhere above 29, I'm just going to have like a couple of shares, like small size, like at 10 to 30 shares, just to ride the rest to see as a gamble play. Looking at the 180-day chart, you see that 25 is that big support area right here. You can see all the way back in March that 25 support is there. So being that 25 is that big support, broke below, so now bouncing back up and curling back up. You can see on the MACD and RSI also going up. So showing signs of reversal, and once it hits that 26 tomorrow, I'm guessing it's going to be opening around 26. That's what I see on the chart. Or a little bit below 26, and it should easily make a run up to 26 in the pre-market, maybe more. So I wanted to see it test 26 today, but only tested to about 25.50 so far. So that's a good sign. So being that it's around 26, you can trade all the way up to 28, 29. That's going to be the profit taking area. So that's what I see value in, and that's why I'm still holding my position on this one. Didn't want to take a loss at the below 25. Nice bounce up from there. That's why I'm still holding that one. Next one is going to be DHI. A lot of lumber tariffs news that came out, and home builders, interest rates went up. So home builders or home buyers, that concern goes along with the home construction. So being that did sell off pretty big today, all the way from 43.70, 44 area, all the way down to 40.20. Main support is at 40. That's what I have my alert set at 40, and I want to see break over that 41.20 area. So being that it's over there, it didn't break below that 40 support on the daily, so that's a good sign. Looking at the yearly chart, it is below that 200 SMA, and it is right now currently down. So being that it's very oversold, and it's a long-term pick, and if you look at the max chart on this, you can see nice growth. And whenever it has this drops like this, it's a great area to pick it up. So you're seeing the drop right there. So looking at that, it's going to be going back up. A lot of panic selling and overreaction from this, but it does like to recover really fast. So I'm going to be picking this up this week. I want to see it break over 41 before entering. And last one is going to be Apple. This is the third pick. So Apple, AAPL. Looking for a short on this, or short or even option put. So looking for it to come down. Looking at the 180 day, it's way overbought, ran up all the way to 190.37, over 190. So looking for it to come down to about 180 after that dividend pays out. So it needs to break that 185 mainly for the confirmation of downturn moment. So being that it can break 185 and come below and take out this 50 SMA at 184.41, then it's going to be going to test at 180 next, and then 175. Don't think it'll come down all the way down to 175. It's still a strong stock, and Buffett really loves this and always buys the dips. So I'm looking for it to come down to around 180. Anyone who got the puts at 190 or that range would have easily cashed out, but I want to pick it up at 185 because it's going to be a confirmation. Because when you see a value in something, you want to wait for that confirmation and wait for that perfect entry. And you want to make sure that it's a solid trade. So you want to make sure the chart looks good, you see the value, and you also see the news on it. And being that it's very overbought so far, once I see the confirmation, I'm going to get that put on there, and probably will be a day trade or a swing trade into a couple days or maybe even a week. But it does like to go up fast, so I'll be taking profits on that really quick. Looking at the yearly chart, you know, it was oversold over here before earnings, went up all the way to over 190, and once it breaks below the 185, that top over there, I should see it come down to 180 area. So I'll be looking to get puts on that. I want to get 180 puts for around July or even mid-June on those, or you can short it as a normal stock. So those are the three picks. So looking to hold that position in DGAS and exit around 2850 to 29 area. And next one was DHI, looking to get in over 41 to 42 area. And last one, Apple, waiting for a 185 support break to get puts or short it. So these are the three picks that I'm looking for, and we have our chat room right here. You can join a membership from on our website. That's pinnacletrading.us, and once you head over to the membership, you can grab an easy month-to-month payment membership, and there's no contracts, so you can join and leave it anytime. And we have simple pricing month-to-month. Gold is our most favorite membership, and has options, swing trading, everything that even advanced trader needs. And our diamond package has one-to-one mentorship access, chart analysis, and gold and diamond both have voice channel access in the morning. I call out all my live trading alerts in the morning from 9:30 a.m. to about 12 p.m. Eastern time. And always make sure to click that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified, and also support us on social media. So brief preview of the alerts, what they look like. I'll say my entry, my what I'm taking, and also what price I was filled in at. So I'll have a screenshot, or I'll just post it like this if I don't have that much time, and because I want to get those alerts fished out fast as I can to you guys, so that you guys can take the alerts. And in case you're not on the voice chat in the morning, then I try to post this as fast as I can, and then I'll post a screenshot later after that. So that's what the alerts look like, and you can also see our winning trades. We have numerous winning trades. So recently had SBY puts winning trade on that. So that's just a brief preview of what the chat room looks like. You can join the chat room for free. You can use this link right here. It'll be in the description of the video, and you can get a 1 week free trial. Or you can also go on the website. If you go on the main page, you can join the membership free trial using this link right here. Click the join now button. Alright guys, make sure to hit that bell button and to stay notified in future videos, and the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.